This is Mac Changers. The vision of our program is to offer experiential learning opportunities to students and to propose collaborative solutions to the most complex and pressing problems confronting society in the 21st century, as identified in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, Think Global, and our Future Hamilton, Act Local, long-term community vision. Over the school year, students work in multidisciplinary teams, allowing them to develop their professional and transferable skills. Students begin by identifying the problem, conducting research, and scoping the challenge down to solvable problems through the process of human-centered design. In January, student groups begin the next phase of the program and formulate a solution that is viable and desirable. At the end of the program, students present their proposed solutions to community stakeholders at our end-of-the-year showcase. The Mac Changers program is open to students from all faculties and levels of study and has no cost to enroll. If you are looking to develop your professional and transferable skills, build valuable connections with subject matter experts, and propose innovative solutions to community stakeholders, consider applying to the Mac Changers program. Visit our website and follow us on social media for more information.